Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So after setting up the footers, we have to add the my account section in the header. So for this you have to do a small task in your default.xml file. It is inside the Magento underscore theme where you have added our uh, header. So what you have to do here, you have to add one more block. You have to take the reference block header links, because all these information sign in and the create an account links are coming from the header dot links. Inside it you have to create a block file. You have to create a block. Inside the block you have to pass few arguments here. So here inside the argument you have to write the path. This argument set the URL path associated with the link. The customer/account path indicate that clicking on this link will take the users to the my account sections. And here is the label. It will define the label of your attribute what you are just defining. That is in my case it is the my account. So after writing this small block code in your default.xml, you will get my link account here in the header section. Please don't forget to clear the cache from the terminal. Let me tell you again what is the command to clear the cache. So this is the command to clean the cache of the Magento: sudo php bin magento c:f. After clearing this, you will get the my account link in the header sections. So as per our design, our header section has been completed, and after writing few CSS, it is displaying perfectly fine. So we are not working on the CSS as of now, because we are just only working on the theming base without CSS. So our header has been completed. So thank you very much guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.